Hi guys, I'm John Carl Elsac, Brace IT1B, and now let's talk about number system. Basically, let's talk about decimal number, binary number, octal number, and hexadecimal number. So let's move to our first number system, the decimal number. Decimal number system has 10 base we use in our day-to-day life. Decimal number has number 0 to 9. Example of decimal number is 378. Next we have the binary. Comes from the Latin word bi means 2. Binary has two base system, 0 and 1. Binary number, each number codes bit. Example of binary number is 11010 base 2. The 1 is most significant bit or SMB and the 0 is least significant bit or LSB. And the next we have octal. From the shape octagon that has 8 sides. Octal has base 8, 0 to 7. And the last is hexadecimal. Hexa means hexagon has a 6 sides. And decimal is 10. 6 plus 10 equals 16. Hexadecimal number system has base 16. 0 to 9. And A to F. And A is 10. B is 11. C is 12. D is 13. E is 14. And E is 15. And now let's have an example of decimal to binary. So how can we convert 145 into binary number? It helps to the power of 2. 2 to the 0 power is 1. 2 to the first power is 2. 2 to the second power is 4. 2 to the third power is 8. 2 to the fourth power is 16. 2 to the fifth power is 32. 2 to the sixth power is 64. And 2 to the seventh power is 128. So the lowest number of 145 is 128. So let's put 128 here. And let's subtract them. 145 minus 128 equals to 17. So the lowest number of 17 is 16. So 17 minus 16. Let's put 16 in the top. 17 minus 16 equals to 1. So let's put 1. We have the 1. And if we add all of this, 128 plus 16 plus 1 is equals to 145. Yes. And let's see our binary number. So we have 128, we put 1. We don't have 64, so 0. We don't have 32, so 0. We do have 16, we put 1. We don't have 8, so 0. We don't have 4, it's 0. We don't have 2, 0. And we do have 1, so we put 1. So this is the answer. So let's move on to decimal to octal. So our first example is 395 base 10. So how can we convert decimal to octal? So first we need to divide by 8. So 395 divided by 8. So okay, it's equals to 49.375. So we put 49. Remainder. So to get the remainder, we need to multiply 0.375 to 8. So 375 times 8 equals to 3. So we put 49 here. So 49 divided by 8 equals to 6.125. 6 point. So we put 6 here. Reminder and same process. 8 times 125 equals to 1. So we put 6 here. So 6 divided by 8 equals to 0.75. So we put 0 here and reminder. So 8 times 0.75 equals to 6. So the answer is the remainder, but we need to write it upward. So the octal number of 395 is 613. And let's move on to decimal to hexadecimal. So how can we convert decimal to hexadecimal? This is same as octal, but we need to divide it to 16. So let's try this. 145 base 10. So 435 divided by 16. So 135 divided by 16 is 27.1875. So we put 27 here, remainder. So 16 times 0.1875 equals 3. So 27 divided by 16 equals to 1.6875. So we put 1 and reminder. So 16 times 0.6875 is 11. So we put 1 here. 1 divided by 16 is 0 is 0.0625. So we put 0 here in the reminder. So 16 divided times 0.625 equals to 1. So if you can see here, this is the value of hexadecimal. So 1 becomes 1 and 11 becomes B and 3 becomes 3. So this is our answer, 1B3. And the hexadecimal number of 435 base 10 is 1B3 base 16.